bigger's always better, right? At least that's what they told me down in Texas. Today we've got this YZ250 here, and we've installed our Cylinder Works big bore kit on it. Brings this thing up to 300 cc's. Now, KTM owners, they've been on those 300s for a while, and if you want some of those benefits, you can have those now. So you're getting more power, or more tractable power down low. You can lug this thing, it's gonna pull the gears through the corners. And the nice thing about this 300, you're not losing much on top. It still feels great. So for whatever reason you're putting this on, whether you want to beat other bikes out while you're racing, or maybe you smoked your top end and you want some bolt-on power, this is a great option. I highly recommend looking into this. Now, as far as kit contents go, it comes with everything you need. This is a bolt-on kit. Anyone can install it. Comes with a matching piston to your cylinder, comes with the cylinder head, the gaskets. It even comes with new power valves, because those do need to be bigger with that bigger bore. So as far as jetting goes, we didn't have to go too far from where we were already at. And again, if you can rebuild your stock top end, you can get this kit installed. These are available on our website, so click that link in the description below. We also have how-to videos if you haven't rebuilt a top end before. We've got a YZ250 top end rebuild. We've got tons of content on these YZ250s, so check that out. Subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.